Do you hear that? I can hear myself! I can hear myself! I'm a dinosaur! You're a dinosaur! What? What did you say to me? Dude, I'm not a dentist! You don't need to say or keep your...
Treasure X time!
It's what?
Treasure X time!
I love that time.
Me too.
YouTube, what is up, guys? We are...
Turbo Toy Time.
Turbo Toy Time. My name is Andy, and this is my son,
Cyrus.
and we do toy videos. And today, he was not kidding. It is Treasure X time, but Treasure X dinosaurs with... This is kind of like a Dino Riders toy.
Yeah.
Do you know, he knows what Dino Riders are too. And if you watch Turbo Toy Time,
and it's right there.
there's some right there. Yeah, there are. You know that I love Dino Riders, so when I saw this that kind of looks like a Dino Rider, I'm all for it. And he actually picked it out too, so I was like, I'm so supportive of you, son. So this is what we're doing today. We're gonna show you the box, we're gonna get it out, and then we're going to go through 16 levels of adventure. Treasure X is such a cool experience.
Yeah.
What do you get to do?
Dissect dinosaurs and do other things.
Yeah, we are dissecting a dinosaur today, and you saw the thumbnail, so you know that too. Very, very cool though. You go 1, 2, 3, all the way to 16. And we might get what?
Gold.
Gold! I think with like every Treasure X toy, you have the possibility of getting a gold piece, and I have only done it once. And we've probably opened up like 20 of these.
Maybe today.
Maybe today! That's a good attitude. Cyrus, what do you like about this?
That it has a cage around it.
That's very, very cool. The box is a cage, so you get to keep it and you can store it in there, I'm guessing. It says, will you find real gold dip treasure? And it shows a picture, which it literally looks like a Dino Rider. It has like blasters, rocket blasters on the wings.
Yeah.
They have to be Dino Riders fans also. It says, dissect, rescue, attack! It has little pictures. Oh my gosh, look at the chest. Not to spoil too much, but the chest.
Inside the egg is gold.
Maybe. There's definitely treasure. We're hoping we get the gold dip.
But it's in the egg.
Yeah, that it would be in there. If we get gold, it'll be in the egg. Treasure will be in the egg no matter what.
Because it's a dinosaur, it's made to look cool.
Dinosaurs like just kind of look cool already, don't they? Yeah. I think that's where you're going.
The egg, it looks really cool.
It does.
The treasure's in the egg.
I don't know if I'm ever gonna open this. Come out!
Ah!
Well, there that came out. Okay.
The bottom.
Oh, cool! I love it that some toys still come with little things. I wish it had a picture of all the other toys you could get, but it doesn't. It just has directions. All right.
It's hard to get out. It's more zip ties.
Here's our treasure box, and we're gonna have to get 2 keys to unlock this. Here is like a bone pickaxe.
Like Minecraft.
Like Minecraft.
Actually locked. It's actually locked.
Don't open it. We gotta do the little thing. All right, what's our first step? Okay, we're actually on step 2 or 3. Okay, whoa, you know what? Dude, this is kind of hard to get out. All right, so there's more rubber bands.
Cut him, Dad.
Wow, did you just see that happen?
What?
You missed it? I cut him. It was like, here I am at the party, guys. What up? It's like, my dudes, what up? Oh, wait, I'm still holding it. My dudes, what up? Why is he so evil looking? This is a Rulon, that's what this is. What was that? Dude, the next step is to dissect him. Are you ready?
Yep.
I think you gotta use the pickaxe. We're gonna do this slightly out of order. I'm gonna open up his mouth now because it's driving me crazy. Think anything's gonna be in his mouth? Get it. What? What's in there?
Key. First key.
There's a key?
Yeah.
But okay, what is the key in?
Let's try a bug.
It's like a little alien bug. That's crazy, there's a key. Get the key out.
Where's the other one?
That is awesome!
We got a key.
It's hard to see, not to rhyme. I might go to a bay and eat some hay I just may. Can you guys see it? There we go. All right, set this aside. It's dissection time. We put this, and then you're gonna put the pickaxe in here and try to pull it up all the way through his belly. You did that so good.
Oh, slime, I think.
Look, you did it, and what is inside?
Slime.
Okay, it's Treasure X, so there probably is slime, but this is hard to get out. Did it, oh my gosh. Now he's just empty inside. You're like, Echo! Echo! Do you hear that? I can hear myself. I can hear myself. I'm a dinosaur. You're a dinosaur. What? What did you say to me?
You're a dinosaur, Dad.
I'm not a Okay. Let's do our bag. The next step is just to pour this out. Okay. Wow, okay. There, you do it. Pour it all out.
Just, wait, I found the treasure hunter.
And I found the slime.
And the treasure hunter.
And the treasure hunter. He's slimy. Good thing we have.
Key!
You found another key? We found the keys! Ooh. Cyrus is like me. He doesn't like slime either. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I will say usually Treasure X has really good slime that doesn't stick to you, but this does seem to be a little slimier and stickier than normal. But I will say Treasure X is so awesome that I do not hold it against them, and I think most people like slime like this, so.
Hey, my dinosaur got out of the cage!
You're telling a story now.
Always pick up the 2 keys that we can open the chest.
Okay, we're about to do that. Honestly, there's not that much more to do with this thing. Do you want to put the guy together?
Yeah.
So there's his feet, there's his torso, and there's his head. So put that together.
I don't want to touch this. It's really slimy.
It's not that slimy anymore, but Dad can do it. Dad can do it. Okay, we got his feet. What do you want to name this guy? He might actually have a name.
I want to name him Mohawk since he has a mohawk.
That's a good name for him, Mohawk. In fact, maybe his name is Mohawk, even at, okay. So, and then we gotta get this.
It's like a dino rider.
It is so much like a dino rider.
Because you can ride on it, like real.
Oh yeah.
Like
So he goes in there. So we're almost already done. And then, but he's gotta have some handles to drive on. I just knocked him off the dinosaur. This is so cool. We're about ready to find out what treasure we got.
Yeah, I hope.
All right, but so here it is. Here's the finished dinosaur product. The head moves up and down. The mouth opens, and I kind of like that it snaps. Watch, put your finger near it. And then the nature of these, they kind of like go like that. That's really cool. Now, how do you fire these? You just press. Oh wait, what? It's not like a missile launching device. This is the first time I've ever had a rocket in a toy that doesn't launch. So you know how you launch it? You flick it. And that still works. You wanna try it? Just hit it really hard. Nice! You are a missile launcher, dude. Very, very cool. Or you can just, you can do that, that's fine too. Something I wanna point out too, the tail spins. I don't know why that would necessarily be needed, but it kinda spins. But these, you can like grab stuff. So say the pickaxe, like watch. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Do we name the dinosaur? What's the dinosaur's name? Okay.
His name is Nose.
All right, Nose the dinosaur. Drop the pickaxe. Hey, drop it. Good dinosaur. Okay, all right. So here, you give me a key. Oh, I got a key. All right. I have a key and you have a key. I'm gonna put the first key in, okay? Do we have to turn it? You put the second key in, okay? Hold on, we might need to turn it. Turn it inwards. You hear the click? I think we did it. Open it up. Wait. This is so cool. Okay. Da 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 da.
Oh my gosh.
So here's the egg. Feel it. Before you smash it, just feel it. It feels like an egg, right?
Yeah.
Smash it with the pickaxe or your hand. Oh gosh! Oh! Where's the? Oh!
The didn't go, but it's still cool.
Yeah, I don't even like you smashed that so much that I don't even think I got it on film. Yeah, you got another cute little alien bug. They really like little alien bugs in Treasure X. Like, I don't know if it necessarily makes sense in the dinosaur setting, but in the Treasure X world, it does.
Wait, I think that's a baby.
This is a really cool experience. I will say it's a slightly lighter on the Treasure X experience where you're dissecting and all of these different things, but I don't think that's a bad thing at all. I think that the product itself is probably cooler than a lot of the Treasure X things after you're done building them. The wings move up and down. It's got the rockets. It's a really cool looking pterosaur. Did you know that pterodactyls and pteranodons are actually not dinosaurs?
No.
They're pterosaurs, but you can still call them dinosaurs. I do too. I call them that. I like how it rides. I like how the legs move and the fingers and the claws. This is really, really cool. Treasure X, you will never stop being one of my favorite toys. You guys keep making really, really cool things. And if you guys have Treasure X collection, I think this would fit in nicely. But remember, you don't always need new toys.
They're all your old toys.
Yeah, and find a new, fun, creative way to play with them. And if you're really not using them, what do?
Donate them.
We donate them. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more, you hit the subscribe button. It's free and easy. You just click it. But the most important thing about this video is that you...
Stay happy.
Stay happy is good. Yeah, just have a great day. If it's nice outside, go outside and play. If it's not, you can just do something
Inside.
creative inside, right? You don't want to just watch TV.
Yeah.
Okay. I love you, dude.
I love you.
Did you have fun? Good. Thanks for hanging out with us. We'll see you soon with another Turbo Toy Time. Dino, peace.
Dino. Missile.
Ah! Does that mean I got the piece out?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I got the piece out. Peace out.
Dino explode.